Hello friends, and welcome to this tutorial in which we will discuss about a very unique report, that is ITST Auditor report. It's clear from the name itself that this report is related to income tax and sales tax. As you know that during auditing, auditors demand for certain reports which you have to manually generate, and it's very time consuming to generate those reports, and also you cannot afford any mistakes in those reports. That's why a separate set of these reports are provided in Marg software, as you can see on your screen. You have party-wise sale above, supply-wise sale above, purchase above, even transaction above report is available, and sundry debtors above and sundry creditors above. Apart from this, there is capital account and stock summaries. You can generate these reports on a single click, and that too without any mistakes, and submit these reports to your auditor on time. In the same option, you have one unique and beneficial option, unchecked voucher. This option is very beneficial for those accounts whose voucher entries is done by assistants, but the checking is done and passed by the accountants themselves. Through this option, you can check and pass the entries done by your operators. Now let's take a quick demo of this option. Now if we take a look at the software, then you will see we have two users. One is the supervisor, that is manager, and the other is the user, that is operator. The manager is given the authority to check and pass an unchecked voucher, and the operator is not given this authority. Firstly, we will log in with the operator's ID. Define the user ID and password of the operator. So here we have been logged in with the operator user. Now for example, this user has generated a payment voucher. Now if this user operator tries to go on final reports, ITST auditor report, unchecked voucher, so here the software will show this alert window which reads you are not authorized to use this option. Now if we log in from a manager user ID and password, as you can see, and now if we go on final reports, ITST auditor, and enter on unchecked voucher, so here you will see whatever voucher your operator has generated is displayed here. So from here you can view the entries. To check these entries you can press enter, and to pass these entries you can press the plus key. So you will see that the voucher entry has been passed. And you can also enable user level power and foundation. Next is search voucher, through which you can search any voucher of a particular date. If you press enter, then the software asks date. Then you will define date here, means from which date till which date do you want to view the vouchers. And as soon as you define the date and press enter, then you will see the vouchers till that date have appeared. Then there is party wise sale above. Here you can define the dates between which you want to view the entries generated above a particular amount, and that too party wise. Then apply the other filters if you want, and define the purchase amount. Suppose we want to view all the sale bill which are about 10,000. So I'll type here 10,000. For now we will enter on view. And a report is shown which shows all the bills which were generated between the defined date range and were above the sale amount which we defined. Similarly, in the same process you can view supplier wise purchase above. Press enter. Define the dates between which you want to view the vouchers. Then apply the other filters if you want. And define the purchase amount, means of which amount or above which amount do you want to view the vouchers. Suppose we define here 50 and enter on view. Then here you see the report is displayed. After that is sale above. If you only want to view sale above and not party wise, then here you will define the amount above which you want to view the bills. Then is from account or bill wise. Select from whichever you want to view. Select cash, creditor or both. Press enter. Then define the date range. So here you see the sale above report is displayed. Similarly, in this way you can view purchase above report. By defining the amount, define the date range and press enter. And here accordingly to the defined criteria the vouchers are displayed. Next is cash transaction above. You can view cash transaction if you want. Suppose you want to view the transactions you made from cash which are above 50 rupees. So you will define here 50. Define the date range and enter on view. Then select the mode of payment. Like now we want to view the cash transaction, so we will enter on cash. Then a filter window will appear where you have options like, do you want the date range to get printed, or do you want the page number to get printed or not, or do you want the voucher number, narration or balance transfer. Then the report showing cash transaction above 50 rupees will appear. Then is party cash receipt. You can view the cash receipt you have received from parties. So you will define the date range and the amount of receipt above which you want to view the cash transaction. Then enter on view. Then is supplier cash payment. If you have done payments to suppliers in cash, so in the same way you can view those vouchers by defining the date range and the amount above which you want to view the transaction. Then is sundry debtors above, where you can define the outstanding amount of your debtors ledger. Then as you press enter, the group of window will appear where you will select a group. So here you see we have 4 debtors whose outstanding is about 200. Similarly, in the same way you can view sundry creditors above. Next is capital account, where you can take a view at your capital account status, and you can view your surplus, money received against share warrants, share application, money pending, etc. So from here itself you can view your capital account. Next is stock summaries. You can view your stock report from here and view the closing stock in hand. You can further view it monthly wise. Next is convert wrong debtors and creditors. Through this option you can convert the wrong entries into right ones. Wrong entries can be generated when you generate a payment entry for debtors, like suppose when you have purchased some goods from him, or when you generate receipt entries for creditors, like when you provide him goods and receive amount for it. Like convert negative debtors to creditors. So from here you will select a creditor group. So friends, in this way you learned about the benefits of ITST auditor reports. Thanks for watching.